The universal language, how music shapes our lives. Music is much more than just a collection of pleasant sounds or a catchy rhythm. It is a universal language that has the power to cross borders and connect people, regardless of where they come from or what language they speak. Scientists have discovered that listening to your favorite song can change your mood almost instantly. This happens because music triggers the release of dopamine, a chemical in the brain that makes us feel happy and relaxed. However, music isn't just for relaxation or entertainment. Many students and professionals use instrumental tracks to improve their concentration while working on difficult tasks. In the gym, a fast beat can provide the extra energy needed to finish a tough workout. Different genres of music can even influence how we perceive the world around us, making a rainy day feel cozy or an ordinary walk feel like an adventure. Perhaps the most magical thing about music is in its connection to our memories. Have you ever heard a specific melody on the radio and suddenly felt like you were back in high school? This is because our brains store musical patterns in the same area as our deepest emotions. For many people, a simple song can act like a time machine, bringing back the faces and feelings of the past with incredible clarity. Beyond the individual, music plays a vital role in building a sense of community. Throughout history, people have used songs to tell stories, celebrate traditions, and protest against injustice. Whether it is a national anthem, a folk song, or a modern pop hit, music helps groups of people feel a sense of belonging and shared identity. It is often the heart of festivals, weddings, and religious ceremonies. In the digital age, music is more accessible than ever before. We can explore sounds from different cultures with just a single click on our smartphones. This global access allows us to appreciate diverse perspectives and understand the creative spirits of people living thousands of miles away. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we all share the same human emotions and a desire for harmony. Whether you are a talented musician playing on a stage or someone who simply enjoys singing in the shower, music is a powerful tool for well-being. It helps us express feelings that words alone cannot describe, making our daily lives much more colourful and meaningful.